I will discuss change in demand, which is also known as shift in demand curve, because there is shifting of demand curve either rightward or leftward. It is also of two types: increase in demand and decrease in demand. So, increase in demand means, first of all, what is change in demand? When demand for a commodity changes due to change in other factors and except the price of the commodity, it is called change in demand. Means there is no change in commodity's own price, there is a change in other factors. This is called as change in demand. So first I will discuss about increase in demand. Increase in demand means when more demand at the same price or same demand at the higher price. How we will show this? First I will show you with the help of table. Price and demand. So when more demand at the same price and same demand at the higher price. Okay, so when you draw the diagram, you will see that there is a rightward shifting of demand curve. Here I am taking price on y-axis, on x-axis I am taking quantity demanded. So suppose price is 10. So at 10 rupees price, first the quantity demanded is 100, and at the same price demand increases to 150. Then demand curve shifts rightward. DD is the initial demand curve and D1 is the new demand curve. So there is a rightward shifting in demand curve which shows increase in demand. So when more demand at the same price and same demand at the higher price. Suppose price is 10, then demand is 100 units. And at this, when the price increases from 10 to 11, then also the demand is same. So first initial demand curve, and this is the new demand curve. Here also we see that there is a rightward shifting of demand curve. So here the demand curve shifts rightward because of change in other factors. Okay, the price of a commodity are not changing. So due to change in price of the commodity, if the demand changes, then there is extension and contraction. But in change in demand, when the demand at same price or same demand at a higher price is known as increase in demand. Now the second is decrease in demand. Decrease in demand. In decrease in demand, there is a leftward shifting of the demand curve. So when less quantity at the same price or same quantity at the less price is known as decrease in demand. So when less quantity at the same price or same quantity at the less price, then this is known as decrease in demand. Here demand curve shifts leftward. So at the same price, demand decreases, and demand curve shifts rightward. There is a leftward shifting of demand curve. At the same price, less demand, so demand curve shifts leftward. And here same demand at the less price. Earlier the price is 10, then the price falls, but the quantity demanded remains same. This is the initial demand curve and this is the new demand curve. So decrease in demand, two reasons are there: at the same price, less demand, or at the same demand at the less price. So this is known as decrease in demand. And increase in demand, there is a rightward shifting. Rightward shifting means more demand at the same price or same demand at the higher price. So this is the two types of change in demand, which is also known as shift in demand. Change in demand is also known as shift in demand. Increase in demand and decrease in demand are the two types of shift in demand. Rightward shifting, increase in demand shows the rightward shifting, and decrease in demand shows leftward shifting. So this is all for today. If you want to ask any problem, any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you and Jai Hind.